Did you know scientists are picking up some seriously weird sounds from the deep ocean? In certain areas, they're recording these regular, rhythmic, thumping noises coming from way down below. It's not a random glitch either. The pattern suggests something is consistently moving, something big enough to create these powerful beats. What could be making these sounds in the dark, crushing depths? We're still trying to figure it out. For more mysteries from our amazing planet, make sure to subscribe.